Compared to traditional Y strainers, this model reduces flow resistance by about 30% with its optimized structure. The filter screen has over 4 times the flow area, reducing debris impact on water flow. Its Dragon-style stainless steel frame resists deformation and absorbs flow impact for stable performance. The O-ring sealed valve cover allows one-person disassembly and easy cleaning without tools. A cast-in cross-flow guide vane at the outlet stabilizes water flow, protecting the pump and saving energy. A bottom drain outlet makes it easy to connect a bypass pipe for convenient maintenance. With large flow area and low resistance, it's ideal for water supply, vake, and treatment systems.